Hi guys, it's Allie and welcome to my channel. Today I did this type of vampy look, although I did have a different vision in mind that I wanted to see the eyes a little bit deeper. I tested out some new products. You'll take a look and see, but this is the look that we came up with. So if you want to see what I did to get this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna start off by prepping my eyes with the Soft Ochre Paint Pot by MAC. I also want to say that I do have foundation on. It is the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation. I was trying two different primers. I will leave that video down below. For concealer, I'm using the Jeffree Star concealer, and this is a brush by Crown Brushes just to buff that out. For contour, I'm using the Wet n Wild MegaGlo contouring palette with the Luxie 209 large shader brush for my nose contour, and then I'm gonna buff that out with my concealer brush to get rid of harsh lines. Then I'm going to take my Luxie 512 small contouring brush and I'm going to use that to contour my cheeks and also my forehead, just to kind of chisel everything out. I'm going to be using my Crown Brushes powder brush and my Marc Jacobs TanTastic bronzer, and just going to be adding a little bit of warmth throughout my face. I love this brush for bronzer. Taking the Luxie 504 large angled brush and the Toasted blush in the Alamar Cosmetics medium blush trio, and putting that on the apples of my cheeks. For highlight, I'm using the Sigma F35 highlighting brush, and I'm using the Elf Illuminating palette, and I'm using that pink shade just to add a little bit of a cool toned highlight. For eyes, I'm going to be going in with the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, and I'm taking the Luxie 205 in the color Cone and using that to blend out in my crease. Then I'm going to be taking the Luxie 213T, which I guess is a travel size, with the raspberry color, and I'm just placing that all over my lid. Now I was expecting this to be a little bit deeper, but I'm going to just work with what we got. Then taking that same tapered blending brush that I used for Cone, I'm gonna go in with Licorice and just add that into the crease. I'm then gonna go in with the Luxie 121 mini tapered brush, and I'm going in with Tasty, and then putting that in the outer V just to add a little bit of depth, a little bit of darkness. I wanted to stick with one palette, so we're just toning down that bright red I have going on. Then I'm going to take that same brush that I used for the lid, the travel size one, and I'm going in with And What, and I'm going to put that on top of the lid as well. Also bringing that into my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to be using the Luxie 131 mini angled brush, going in with that color Delicious, which is like that deep indigo, I would say, kind of like a navy, but a little hint of purple. Gonna buff that into the outer V and my lower lash line again, just to add a little bit of depth and darkness, and I love the tone of this color. Going to then take the Luxie 237 blending brush with the color Good Morning, and then buff that into my brow bone and bring it down just to blow everything out and blend everything out. Now I'm taking the Luxie 111 mini flat angled brush with the color Jawbreaker, putting that into the inner corner just to add a little bit of lightness, a little bit of reflection. Now for brows, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Micro Brow Pencil and the Brow Bar by Reema Gel. I'm going to do that off camera, just filled in my brows. And for eyeliner, I use the Marc Jacobs Blacquer for my waterline. And I'm trying this Hude liner, Hude Beauty liner. The brush is a little funky. It's the first time I'm using this. I found it very, very difficult to apply. I don't know. It came out a little wonky, and I'm just trying to work with what we have going on. Also, I think that mine actually is frayed. I don't know if other people found that, but mine was not easy to use at all. But again, we're working with what we have going on. I also applied lashes. I don't remember which one they were. They were by Ardell. But for mascara, I'm using the Guerlain Maxi Lash Waterproof. I really like that mascara. For lips, I'm going in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Copenhagen, one of my favorite lip creams, but I just felt like the colors weren't really working, so I'm going with the Milani Matte Fearless 70 and putting that over top just to deepen it. And then I'm just defining everything with the MAC Nightmoth Lip Pencil just to finish everything off. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please let me know. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know what other types of looks you want to see, and go ahead and turn the notifications on if you want to be notified when I upload. As always, be sure to stay happy, and I will see you guys in my next video.